Hello everyone, welcome back to Shib. According to analysts, this fresh approach and initiative will result in $10 Shib by 2024. Current Shiba Inu news: as the second largest meme cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Shiba Inu is a well-known cryptocurrency in the sector. The token powers the ecosystem and facilitates several operations within it, such as network governance and payment fees on shibaswap, the Shiba Inu decentralized exchange platform. It also provides utility. The token is credited with inspiring various meme coins within the industry, including Shiba Vax, Captain Shibaro, and more. The shibainu ecosystem is an initiative that seeks to foster decentralized community building within the cryptocurrency industry. In this video, we'll discuss how experts predict that the new burn approach and project will result in $10 Shib by 2024. For the most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, please hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Shiba Inu is an entirely community-focused cryptocurrency that ranks second in the coin field behind Dogecoin as the top meme coin in the sector. Shib owns shares in leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the sector, including Coinbase and Binance. To announce the release of the Shib Layer 2 beta, Shib developer Shoshiro Kozama has started a blog series. The blog post from February 15 generated excitement in the cryptocurrency world. 1.2 million people have at least a minimal amount of Shib in their wallets, marking a record number of investors who have chosen to diversify as much as to include Shib in their portfolios. Shib is merely a Layer 2 that is already fairly well known in its peculiarity, and the most cautious analysts believe will benefit Shib. In fact, the most knowledgeable industry insiders believe the launch of Shib will contribute to a major growth of the meme coin. Twitter, which reignited the calls for Sharian analysts, agreed there could be a surge in value following the Shib launch, supported by the interest created. The movements of the so-called whales are not what proves the impending growth in value, but what's even more exciting is a brief tweet reply from Kama confirming that a teaser video for the Shib album would release sometime during the week of February 20th. The arrival of Shib was delayed due to court team member MKD's absence, but Shib's return to the team has raised expectations for an early release. In the blog post from February 15, Kama stated that the launch of Shibaria beta will depend on DAO returning to the turn following the death of his father. Kozama also acknowledged that he had recently been the target of personal insults on the internet, but the marketing campaign for Hype Shib has started with blog posts. In an impending video that looks set for release, Kozama promoted the Shib army in his Block BL article, urging adherents of all world religions to join the new Shib revolution. The blog asserts that Shiba Inu can stand for a set of global ideals that are in harmony with both Web3 and traditional religions. There are several reasons why the Shiba Inu community has high hopes. While not much else was revealed, one of the top sources for news on Shib and Shib recently reported that lead developer Shoshiro hinted that the launch is happening this week and that he recently turned off messaging on the official Shib Telegram channel. These actions cleared the way for speculation that the decision is to remove noise and misinformation ahead of the official launch of the L2 network's beta version. The anticipated event could potentially kickstart the next bullish wave for Shib. According to the most recent WallStats data, of the top 2,000 Ethereum smart contracts, Shib was the third most used in the last 24 hours. If the Sharian beta launch takes place this week, Shib may see an increase in demand, which might lead to the start of its next bull market wave. The bulls have faced difficulties in regaining control since the first week of February, when the strong rally that began at the beginning of the year came to an end. The 50-day MA of the Shib recently registered a golden cross, adding to the timing that could support a strong rally. Meanwhile, the metrics indicated some bearish expectations. Most notably, the supply on exchanges dropped significantly over the last 4 weeks, while the supply outside of exchanges saw a net gain. As for the current sentiment, we have seen a notable decline in weighted sentiment in the last few days. This last week corresponded with a rise in sell pressure, indicating that the market as a whole favored the bears. The exchange flows are expected to show a pivot in the weighted sentiment and a reserve outcome in the coming days. Put another way, higher outflows are anticipated if the Shibarium launch prompts an influx of bullish demand. The general consensus is that Shibarium will add more utility to the Shibu ecosystem, which will lead to more organic demand, but this is still speculative as the launch is still a few days away and Shiba Inu is expected to overcome immediate obstacles as whales enter the ship. High tide caused by waters. The delivery volume spike that is passing through several EMAs is an early indication of a sufficient move. Bulls are currently maintaining their pace while halting close to the crucial 50% FIB barrier. In addition, the token is strongly rising above its major moving averages. In addition, the Shiba token is eager to break out of the supply zone of 0.000000011500, which is the immediate barrier when the token is in a correction phase. Last week, the bulls formed a base near 0.800 and shaped a double bottom pattern. Later, buyers accumulated prices from the demand zone and the token jumped by 30% over the last 20 trading sessions on the 4-hour chart on February 20th. The Shiba token displays fairly bullish strings with the upright action of buyers. Shiba was making higher highs and lows while trading inside the ascending parallel channel. For buyers, this steady upward movement since the start of 2023 is a positive indicator for the upcoming months. If it moves over the 0.0015 level in the upcoming sessions, the Shiba token is about to make a much-anticipated move. The upper end of the Bollinger Band is now convergent, and the token is aiming to retest its prior high of 0.0018 from the previous year, when it was trading in a restricted range. The bears try to force the bull back into the support zone in an effort to weaken its endurance. By closing gaps, the price of Shiba token seeks to return to the earlier highs. The token increased by 15% this week, rewarding its investors. Additionally, the significant volume additions this week suggest that the token is poised for a significant move in a novel development. Shiba Inu will now be accepted by Canadian University in Dubai as a form of payment for fees. Following a collaboration between Canadian University Dubai and Binance, which was announced on Twitter with the aim of promoting borderless and contactless cryptocurrency payment, Canadian University decided to accept all cryptocurrencies that Binance Space supports, of which Shiba Inu is one. This is a significant development for Shiba Inu, as Canadian University Dubai is regarded as one of the best in the region. Shibainu holders can now enroll in any program of their choosing and can use their shibainu assets to pay their fees. As a new week begins, cryptocurrency whales are in the black, moving an incredible $82.5 million in XRP and Polygon. Whales have shifted XRP to and from the cryptocurrency exchanges Bitstamp and Bitso throughout the past 36 hours, according to the Crypto Address Tracker Whale Alert. This concludes our discussion for today. Please remember to give us a thumbs up. Polygon is currently holding the 5th largest crypto asset holding among the 5,000 largest Ethereum whales on record. The top 4 are Ethereum, ETH, USD Coin, US Dollar, Tether, and Shiba. At the time of publishing, XRP is at 39 cents, down 0.5% over the last 24 hours, and Matic is at $1.49, down 0.9%. To view our most recent content, please like and subscribe to the channel.